Welcome back everybody. We've already done a few videos about Cakedefi, but since they have more than doubled their staking rewards, I thought I will give you a quick update on Cake. Or if you haven't heard about them yet, you can watch the entire video. So let's check out what is new. When I started to stake on Cake, the APY was 37%. Back then I thought that rate is great already. However, a few days ago I realized that they increased that number drastically. Now you almost earn 89% on your DeFi tokens. Another key element is the price action. Let me pull up the chart to show you what I mean. My biggest concern with DeFi was that the price is going to dump hard because of the high staking rewards. And what good is it to earn great rewards when the price is plummeting? As you can see from the chart, that wasn't the case with DeFi. Even in the recent crash, it didn't lose too much of its value. So I'm very happy about how the price developed until now. If you want to learn more about Cake, here is a clip from our previous video where we go over the basics quickly. They still offer a $30 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is register by clicking the link in the description. Make a small deposit and you will get $30 in DeFi tokens for free. It's a great offer, so definitely check that out. In this video, I will go over their 3 products quickly. Let's start with Liquidity Mining. Therefore you need BTC and DeFi tokens. You have an amazing APY on this product, but your payout will be largely in DeFi coins. That's not a bad thing, but ideally, you want to earn your interest in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. You can add liquidity with other altcoins such as Ethereum or Litecoin as well. The next product is staking your crypto and join Masternode Pools. That's one of the products I currently use. I have 73 DeFi tokens staked, and with an APY of 37%, my tokens have been growing nicely over the past 3 months. The last product that I really like is the lending service, formerly called Lapis. They have just changed the name. The interest rates on Bitcoin and Ethereum really got me excited. With 7.5% it is quite high. They offer 8% on US Tether. The rate is fine, but I think there are better options if you want to stake your stable coins. In fact, we just released a video with the best places to stake your stable coins. Watch it later if you are interested. When you join the lending service on Cake, your crypto is locked for 1 month. With 7.5% on Bitcoin, it's still a good trade-off. I have entered the USDT pool now and in the past. But I will add some Bitcoin because that has more value in my opinion. There is one thing that is new at Cake. They call it Freezer, where you can lock your DeFi tokens to save on fees. Let's have a look at how much money you can save. I look at the chart and yes, you can save a little bit. I would only consider it if you have a lot of DeFi tokens and got a few to spare. But the savings aren't tremendous enough, to be honest. That concludes our quick update on Cake. We hope you've enjoyed this video and that you earn a nice passive income. A big thanks to everyone who is liking and sharing our content. Turn on the bell so you get notified when we release a new video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Next week we will show you our price prediction on Bitcoin. There are many opinions out there right now, so we hope this video will help. See you next time.